It's time for the interval song, and we've got some dance moves to go along with it. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, let's have fun. 1, 2, touch your shoe. 1, 3, hands on your knees. 1, 4, slap your core. 1, 5, check if you're alive. Oh yeah, you guys are crushing it. Can we do it one more time? Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, let's have fun. 1, 2, touch your shoe. 1, 3, hands on your knees. 1, 4, slap your core. 1, 5, check if you're alive. Oh yeah, you guys got some dance moves, and you know your intervals. Nice job.